Good morning. Welcome, Shem Stars. In continuation of Chapter 8 Human Health and Diseases. In this presentation, today we are going to learn about immunity and different types of immunity. In previous presentations, we have already seen that we are exposed to large number of infectious agents every day. Only a few of these exposures result in disease. Now the question is, how does our body protect itself from external pathogens? So in this presentation we are going to find out answer of this question with the help of different types of immunities. So we will understand what is immunity and its type. Immunity is described as the ability of the body to recognize, neutralize or destroy harmful foreign substances in our body. The complex group of defense responses found in humans and other advanced vertebrates that helps repel disease-causing organisms, these are pathogens. In normal language, immunity is termed as host defense system. Or we can say this is the capacity of an organism to resist or defend itself from the development of a disease. Immunity is of two types, innate immunity and acquired immunity. In this presentation, we will learn what is innate immunity and its types. Now let's understand what is innate immunity. Innate immunity is present from birth and is inherited from the parents. And it is non-specific kind of defense. It is also called natural or native immunity. Consists of mechanisms that exist before infection and are capable of rapid responses to microbes. It consists of four types of barriers: physical barriers, physiological barriers, cellular barriers, and cytokine barriers, which we will study one by one. Now let's understand physical barriers or anatomical barriers. Skin on our body is the main barrier which prevents entry of the microorganisms. Mucous coating of the epithelium lining, the respiratory, gastrointestinal and the ureterogenital tracts also help in trapping microbes entering our body. Acidic environment pH between 3 to 5 retards growth of microorganisms. Normal microbial flora compete with pathogenic microorganisms for attachment and nutrients. Mucus entraps foreign microorganisms. Now let's talk about physiological barriers. Acid in the stomach, saliva in the mouth, tears from the eyes all prevent microbial growth. Pathogenic bacteria are killed by antibacterial peptides present in the body. Cellular barriers phagocytose and destroy microbes. For example, some WBCs like polymorphonuclear leukocytes, which is also known as PMNL, and monocytes and natural killer cells type of lymphocytes only in the blood, as well as macrophages in tissues, they destroy microorganisms. Lymphocyte cells detect pathogen-associated molecular pattern on the surface of microbes by their pattern recognition receptors and kill them. In cytokinase, virus-infected cells secrete proteins called interferons, which protect non-infected cells from further viral infection. Macrophages responding to microbes produce cytokinase that stimulate inflammation and activate NK cells to produce the macrophage activating cytokine, that is interferon G. So children, this is all about immunity, types of immunity, and we have discussed different types of barriers, that is of innate immunity. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about acquired immunity. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.